Prevent. To stop something from happening. We can prevent accidents by being careful. She takes medicine to prevent illness. The fence helps to prevent trespassing. They installed alarms to prevent theft. Regular exercise can prevent heart disease.